guys, Rockets and Rovers, and today I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube. But before I do this video, make sure to smash that like button. Now, there are 6 simple steps to the Rubik's Cube. Step 1 is get to know your Rubik's Cube, which are the sides. Step 2 is the white cross. Step 3 is solving the corners, and then the rest of the steps I will show on the Rubik's. So first, I'm going to make the white cross. It's very simple. All you need to do is make the corner pieces like this. So I'm going to be doing that. And my best minutes on this was 2 minutes. That was my best on this. It's really good. Since I've got the white cross, which should look like this, I'm going to get in the corners. Now, in the corners, you have to fit up the piece, so the white's not just connected, but these two are perfectly matched. So, I'm going to be getting these corners to fit. And it wouldn't take that long, actually. For someone to get the corners right, it wouldn't take that long, actually. So once you get the corners in, you should have a solid white like this, and you should have baby T's all around here. Now we're going to be putting the corner pieces that can fit here. So first you need to find a match, and then you have to put them in. And it shouldn't be too hard once you've got the pattern down, but it kind of gets hard when you just started to know your Rubik's. It kind of gets hard. So I've got one corner in. I'm about to get my second corner in. And this is the last corner I have. Then we can move on to solving the yellow. So after you get all your corners in, it should have like 6s of every color. Now, for the yellow, there are 3 different ones. There's either a line, a dot, or a little L that's facing the wrong way. So for the little L, you're going to go up, down, up, over, up, and then over the other way, down, down. And it should look like a plus sign, and if not, if it's the line or the dot, then you'll have to do the same algorithm for the dot, different for the line. So from now on, you're going to do the simple algorithm, RU, RIU, RUU, RI. And if that doesn't work, you have to do it again until you get it to work. Until the yellow's solid, basically. After you get to here, that's a good sign because you only need to do that twice. And then you can move on to the next step. The next step here contains either this or a full one and these all around, but this time it looks like this. So for that, you'll need to do the algorithm, which is RIF, RI, BB, R, FI, no, yes, FI, RI, BB, RR, and then UI. Once you get to here, you're gonna do the simple algorithm, FF, UI, or U, and then you're gonna make these two on the edges go down. You're gonna flip it over again, push it back up, and that's how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Over